Hey, how you doing? Let's talk about Shiba Inu right here, right now. Kind of what the latest is. Really, just kind of treading water as I kind of think about it. Really not making any forward headway, or really not going backwards right at this moment in time. If you kind of look at, remember, I always start off to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you look at their respective charts right here, where my mouse is moving, you can see that we had that dip. This dip right here showing Ethereum was only about a $200-300 dip, give or take, but it looks much more aggressive on the chart than it is. But you can see we bounced back and now we're consolidating. And if you take a look down at Shiba Inu, for example, similar pattern, a little bit more volatility, right? If you're just looking at it at a high level snapshot of the last 7 days, a little bit more volatility, a little bit more moves up and down, but truthfully, it's not really trading in a very wide range. It's trading in this very, very tight consolidation band between, say, 2.3 to 2.6, 2.7. And that looks like it's more of an aggressive movement up or down, respectively, but it's really not. Okay. Um, excuse me, we've been at this level for quite a while. I think we're going to stay here for the time being. We're staying here because, again, I'm going to remind you, it's reflective of what is going on in the overall broader market. Okay, so that's really the bottom line, right? And that's where we're going to be. This is what's going to be happening for a little bit. Now, we've got some really cool stuff going on with Shiba Inu and the ecosystem and everything that's transpiring. Like, for example, we've got the SHIB, the metaverse, shib.io, okay, which is right here. Okay, I did a video on this talking about this yesterday, how, they've got this is the new official website, by the way, shib.io. And you can see SHIB, the metaverse, that's their new metaverse component coming up. But it talks about and goes into a lot of really cool stuff here about if you want to participate and get lands and buy and have lands in SHIB, the metaverse coming, to get access to the two, I'm going to really call them kind of like the two pre-sales, if you will. There's going to be 3 sales events. There's going to be a bid event, which is going to happen. They're going to last for 72 hours. There's going to be a holders event, which is going to last for 7 days. And the holders event starts after the bid event. And then the third is the public sale open for all. Okay, to participate in these first 2 events, by the way, we don't have a date yet. We don't know the exact date. You have to own Leash or a Shiboshi, and you need to effectively lock them up, stake them for a certain period of time. And I did a video where you can kind of come in here, you can move the cursor and show if you own a certain amount of leash or over a certain amount of time, it'll show you kind of how much how many pieces of land in SHIB, the metaverse, you'll be able to access, bid, or purchase. My point of showing this to you is this is a cool continuation for me of the vision of what's transpiring for for Shiba Inu, the ecosystem, and kind of where everything is a going. And right here, right now, again, we're going to basically be here for a while with SHIB until the overall market turns. Now, we've got some stuff in the broader market coming this week. So there's a jobs preview. We basically got a major job payroll, new job added report coming. We've got continued Russia-Ukraine war news coming. That battle continues to rage. Things of that nature. I keep my eye on oil, price of oil as well, and inflation. Those are some other variables that I'll continue to talk to you guys about. That's right here where we're at right now. As always, I appreciate you, and have a good one. See you. Bye.